get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall.
Ring the doorbell. I heard it. Come on to your new home. So this is my home and my official house tour, and I'm so excited to get started. Of course, we're starting in the beginning of the house. This front door is really huge, as you can see. So this is our massive front door. It is huge, y'all. It's so big. Oh, I love it. It's very much giving lengthy high ceiling. So we do have a security system. So the welcome key is in the closet, and then we call this number and we use the welcome key to, that type of thing. For this area right here, I really wanted to do like floor to ceiling mirrors, and I don't have like a major grand entrance. So I wanted to make this cute and me. Moving on. So now on to the kitchen portion, and y'all, I am so in love with my kitchen. It is everything. Oh my God, it is everything that I wanted, y'all. Like, words can't even explain it. Like, I absolutely love it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, this is the kitchen. This is the pantry. I do have plenty of storage for my cabinets, y'all. Okay, but things I love about the cabinets is the color. They do have a different set of color woods you can pick from. When I just got to looking at like the gray wood and the darker brown finished wood, I was like, okay, it's giving grown woman. So I went with the darker wood. We do have a really cute backsplash. I'm so in love with this backsplash, y'all. I love it. It just complements the cabinets and the countertops so well. And speaking of countertops, I do have, I think these are granite countertops. Not sure, don't quote me on that, but the countertops are given. But this came with a microwave, so all Whirlpool appliances. Y'all, I really love this sink. It's very much giving looks, okay? Like for real, it's giving very much, I wanna cook, I wanna clean, I wanna wash dishes, let me cater to you, cause baby, this is, Let me stop playing, y'all. Overall, kitchen 10 out of 10, like, baby, let me tell y'all what was a hit it or miss it on my list. This island, like, y'all, I have a motherfucking island. Don't play with me. Don't play with, who the fuck? Y'all, it's giving, okay? But plenty of storage on the island, and y'all, I really love it. Of course, it matched the countertops. We have my refrigerator, and we do have cabinets on top. Storage. The refrigerator comes with the option to turn the light on or off. I love it, I love it. And you got crushed ice, you got cube ice, you got water. But yeah, I love the convenience of having this double door refrigerator with the ice maker and water dispenser. Very much needed. It's essential. I love the lighting, the recessed lighting. That's my favorite. Y'all, look at my little trash can. And why nobody took this off? Because we're not branding them, but we gotta take that off. But y'all, look at my trash can. Like, it's very much understanding the assignment. Okay. Oop, I almost forgot about the dishwasher, y'all. I do have a dishwasher. So of course y'all know I got the underhead lighting. Okay, only one came on, but I just put on a couple of them so y'all can see how they look. But yeah, this is the underhead lighting, and it's gonna be such a vibe, like at nighttime, y'all, when I put lights on. I love this little added feature of the under cabinet lights. But yeah, y'all, this is my kitchen, and this is my oasis into my new home, and I'm so excited. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think so far. I am so in love with this island. Y'all, I'm so geeked about this island. Like, I've really manifested this into my life, and it's finally here. So really quickly, I'm gonna talk about my coat closet, because it's not much. Here is a closet. I don't know what I'm using for, but it's really deep. Got the high ceilings, of course. Yeah, I love how I got this little indent right here. So like if I wanted to put like some storage bins or something right there, they'll be like tucked away. So yeah, I love that. Next. So beside the kitchen, we have the dining area. So yeah, I want a breakfast nook right here in the corner of my dining room. And it's gonna be right here, bench style. So yeah, that's the vibe I'm going for. Because I'm not gonna open the blinds, the lighting is terrible, so bear with me. This is where my TV will go. It's a really big area for the television. I love the detailing on the cabinets, but I'm loving the storage space, like. And of course it has plugs under here. I love how they just, you know, added all of the little minor details. And I can hide the cords through here. So yeah, I really love the living room doors, the patio doors. Love how much sunlight they just bring into the area when it's sunny outside. I love the blinds too. Like my daughter, she's rough, she can't bend and break them real easily, so I can respect that as a mommy. But the fact that they have plugs like everywhere, yes ma'am. I don't even know if I showed you guys they have plugs on the island, like on each side. Like, yes ma'am, don't play with them. Here we have a ceiling fan, and this is how you work it. So of course, y'all know we got the washer and dryer, and it is a full-size washer and dryer. I love it. All Whirlpool appliances, but this part right here I can really respect. So my boyfriend don't like his jeans to be dry, so I can hang his jeans up there so they can dry. And then we got extra storage up there, you know, and the washer. So yeah, full-size appliances, dryer. So here I have an extra room. Once the furniture is in here, y'all will be able to see how big it is. Yeah, this room is gonna be really cute. So now we're on to the bathroom, and I love how we have this light right here. So like if we just wanted to have this light on and cut the rest of the lights off, we could. To have like, you know, a relaxing full bath or something. But y'all, I am in love with this tub, and I love how this curves. So beside the tub, we have the toilet area. Then it came with the little for me. I really love the countertops. Storage. And more motherfucking storage. Oh, we have this little towel rack right here. These ceilings are so high, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, we have this little towel rack right here. And it's also built in right here. Like a little Pinterest style cubby with storage. It also comes with the built-in like towel holder. So like when we're in the shower or in the tub, we don't have to like go far to get our towel from up here. We just hang it up right here. So now we're in the bedroom. I already know where my bed is going. We already got the mattress. We already got the box spring. We already got the railing. We're just waiting on the headboard. So yeah, that's already in process. And of course, the television is going right here. And it's gonna go directly in front of my bed. Over here, I have it's a bookshelf. I have some ideas of how I'm gonna decorate this. I'm thinking about putting a long bench right here. A little mini table with the little stub chairs. More than likely, this is gonna be my side of the room because it just is. Let me close these blinds though. This space right here is like so big. On camera, you really can't tell, but I love how the natural light is just gonna be coming in. I don't know for sure exactly what furniture is going over here. I just can't wait to wake up, open my window, listen to me some affirmations. Basically, tapping in with myself in the morning. Self-care. Let's head into the closet. Disclaimer, don't come for me, okay? I just moved in, y'all. Shit is everywhere. This is my closet. It is a walk-in. This is embarrassing, but not too much. Gonna make this quick. It does have another bookshelf. I don't know what I'm gonna use the display for. Maybe purses, shoes, hats. Shit, hell, everything. I don't know. Y'all, we ain't got too much going on up in here. I'm just ready to get it together. That's my room. I might cut the other parts out. Come on, mama. Take it to the floor. Come on, mama. Take it to the floor. Yeah, we can't do it.
But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking.